There are times when you'll want to align shapes or objects on your cutting mat for specific reasons. We have tools that can help us with that too in our Scan and Cut machine. As you can see here, I've loaded up a drawing pattern for the frame and then also the single line font that is built into the machine. And I'm going to use my partial selection tool, which was covered in an earlier section, to just select the letters of the word love. I click OK to confirm that selection and then go into Object Edit and then the alignment tools. I've now got various options to align to the left, to the right, top, bottom, center, etc. and also spacing tools. That's the two icons at the bottom. They space things out evenly. I've now grouped this and I could therefore now select the two objects because a group counts as one object, and I can use the alignment tools a second time to align the word to the center of that frame. And you can continue doing that multiple times in order to help you build up a design. Definitely worth practicing with and getting used to, because it's a very great time saver. Why not load up a few shapes and give it a go now?